Jenkins is open source automation server help to software development and building, testing, deploying. It is server based system. How to download install Jenkins setup process explain. Browser open Google search box lo Java download enter key press. Official link second section lo display oracle.com Java downloads Oracle India. Second link mouse left click. Oracle redirectory official web page complete display. Mouse scroll down. JDK latest version 24, previous version JDK 21. Second one option click. Mouse scroll down. Supporting OS Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Third option Windows click. Second option x64 installer. File size 164.2 MB. Download section lo second one link click. Downloading JDK-21 underscore Windows x64 underscore bin.exe setup file downloading process start. Wait and here few minutes. Process completed. Next Jenkins. New tab click. Search box lo Jenkins download enter key press. Official link first section lo display jenkins.io download and deploy. First link click. Jenkins CD official redirectory web page complete display download and deploy page lo mouse scroll down. Downloading Jenkins section lo two options display. First one download Jenkins latest version 2.516.1 LTS for first one section lo Windows option click. Thank you for downloading Windows tabled installer. Download section lo jenkins.msi Microsoft installer file downloading process start. File size 89.4 MB. Wait and here downloading process completing. Process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo two set of files display. First one JDK21 select mouse double click. Java TM SC development kit installed version 21.0.8 window lo first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Welcome to the installation wizard for Java SC development kit installed version 21.0.8 window lo first button next click. Installation path and location display. Local disk C program files newly created folder Java subfolder JDK21. Second button next click. Installation process. Java SC development kit successfully installed. Close button click. Desktop file explorer document reopen. Left side this PC new volume C select. Program files folder select open. Java folder select open. JDK folder select open. Address bar mouse left click mouse right click copy second option click. Folder minimize. Windows search box lo edit the system environment variable enter. First option edit the system environment variable select. System properties window lo bottom side last button environment variables click. Second option system variables first button new click. Variable name enter Java underscore home. Second option variable value mouse left click right click paste option select. OK click. System variable section lo path select. Second button edit click. Folder reopen. Bin folder select open. Address bar mouse left click mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Right side top section lo first button new click mouse right click paste click. OK click and OK click and OK click. Folder reopen. Left side downloads folder, select first one Jenkins setup file, select, mouse double click. Download folder, minimize. Welcome to the Jenkins latest version 2.51 16.1 setup wizard window. Second button, next click. Destination folder, path and location display. Local disk C, program files, newly created folder Jenkins. Change the another one drive, change button, click. Unnecessary, second button, next click. Service login credential, login type, two options display. First one, run service as local system, not recommended. Left side circular tick mark set, mouse left click. Second button, next click. Port section, choose a port for the service. Port number 8080, this is our local host. Test port button, click. Selected this port, green color right tick mark display. Second button, next click. Select Java home directory, JDK or JRE. Installed supporting version Java 17 and 21. Detected JDK 21. In case installed latest version JDK 24, change button, click. Look in box right side down arrow, click. New value C, select program file, select installed Java and JDK, select. Folder name box lo complete path display. OK. Next button, click. Custom setup Jenkins components default set in box. Next button, click. Ready to install Jenkins. Second button, install, click. Jenkins automation server window, first button, yes, click. Installing Jenkins. Completed the Jenkins setup wizard. Second button, finish, click. Browser reopen. New tab, click. Type in address bar localhost 8080. Enter key press. Getting started. Unlock Jenkins. Administrator password. Create this password. Copy this path. Select, mouse right click. First option, copy, click. Desktop file explorer document, reopen. Address bar, mouse left click. Delete key press. Mouse right click. Paste, click. Enter key press. Second option, notepad, select. Just once button, click. Display password, select. Mouse right click. Second option, copy, click. Close notepad. Folder, minimize. Administrator password box, mouse left click, mouse right click, paste. Bottom side, continue button, click. Customize Jenkins. The first option, install suggested plugins, mouse left click. Getting started. Installation plugins. Display in box. Wait and hear. Process completing. Required dependencies plugins. Display in middle section. Getting started. Create first admin user. Username enter and password, confirm password, full name and email. Fill in complete. Second button, save and continue, click. Instance configuration window, Jenkins URL, localhost 8080, display, save and finish button, click. Jenkins is ready. Start using Jenkins, blue color button, click. Jenkins dashboard display. Welcome to Jenkins. Start building your software projects.